Alright, well we are out here yet again. Today was a tough one getting out here. We are in a snowstorm currently right now. It's outside, we have about, I'd say 6-7 inches of snow that's just snowed just today. Quite the experience getting out here. We actually went to the complete opposite corner of the spot of where we're supposed to go, just because it was that white out and we couldn't even see a foot in front of us. Basically, we're just sitting in the same spot as previous videos. We're going after a big one again. This spot has insanely large crappies, and what you've seen in previous videos is what can come out of here. Once again, we're just after that. We'll definitely have a pan full of smaller size crappies as well, so stay tuned. All sizes out here. This one. Oh no. Jeez, he fooled me there. Just like that. Just got the house set up. It is a winter storm warning out there right now. We got about 10-15 mile per hour winds. Nothing too crazy, but it's gonna snow about 8 inches where we are. Fish are biting. So quite the journey to get out here and get set up. Go. I hope it's a big one. Ooh, he's running with it. Nothing down there. It makes sense. You got him? Feels pretty.
A little better.
That's definitely it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is a nicer one. Oh yeah.
Oh,
another. Oh, hey.
Here we go. This is what we come out here for.
Holy cow. On the set line.
There
Jumbo white crappie. Look at that thing. We'll get some close-up shots, get a picture, and let it go. Sweet.
In the shack.
Yeah, in the shack. Good?
Yep.
Just caught this nice one. We're gonna get a measurement on her, probably around 13 inches. Really pretty colors on this white crappie. Came up, hit the set line, just had a fathead sitting down there about midway through the water column. It's been kind of dead for a minute, so we were thinking one would roll through, and sure enough, this guy came in and smoked it. What is she looking like?
14?
14 incher, right there. 14. Alright. One more look at this thing. 14-inch white crappie. Let them go right here. Get the colors on them. Should be nice and healthy. And it's crazy to think that there's bigger fish down there than this one. Ooh, she was ready to go. Ooh, here we go. Hooked up. Feels really small. Yep. Just a little guy. Just went down. Let's see what it is. Doesn't feel crazy big. Oh yeah, just a little guy. Kind of crazy out here. It's either these things, about that size, or it's a giant. This time it was a little guy, so we'll let him go. That's a good one.
I think right about now it's about 3:15, 3:20, so I can tell the action's starting to ramping up here for prime time, so let's get back down there. Here we go. Yeah, there's that white crappie we're looking for. There we go. Nice white crappie right there. This has got the potential to be a big one one day, but give me a good solid fight right there.
Look at my bobber's going again. I can't tell.
That seems good.
No.
That's
Solid fish.
That's a solid fish, yeah.
There we go. That guy came in and hit the set line. Let him go. Got him. Yep, that's
Nope.
Oh, it's, I mean,
Nah, that's a good one.
it's a good one.
See, that's good all day.
Yeah.
You just get so spoiled with how big they get here.
I think so. Thought we were gonna get lucky there with a big one, but I mean, that's still a solid crappie right there. Nighttime is rolling up on us, so might stick it out a little longer, but it's a good one to get.
Alright, well, we're packing up here. Pretty good day, I'd say. Any day you can catch a crappie over 12, 13 inches is a pretty good day to me. We got that one really nice one. Was hoping for one more, but we definitely had a couple roaming around there that came up to our jigs and just decided today probably wasn't a good day to bite. I think a little bit that kind of had to do with that is the weather today. We are having a winter storm, so that can have an effect on the fish. Still a good day, and yeah, a lot of crappie videos lately. Clearly that's our favorite species to go after, ice fishing, but yeah, we'll definitely be making more videos out here because this is a bite that I'd technically consider once in a lifetime. We'll be back out here again, and hopefully we catch more fish.